When we ran our application, so this was the application we deployed to an emulator in the last topic, right? So when we ran our application, we saw there were a lot of log files, like a lot of things were written over here, and it was quite uh, daunting. So basically, it's very cryptic. You won't really understand what exactly it is, right? So these are the log entries, the logcat, and we'll be using it a lot to debug our application in future. So the log files basically gives an overview of how your Android application is performing, what exactly it is doing in the process of like whatever things are happening. So like you can see, like there are some hardware failures over here, and so these kind of failures mostly happens when you're running an application on an emulator. And so these are basically the logcat messages. And like to make it a little simple, what I'll do is I'll simply go to one of my main activity files, right? And let's write some message to console. That's not how it works. This is JavaScript. It's log.d, right? And my message, hello world. Okay, so that's it. Now again, let's run our application. Again, the Gradle will build. Gradle will be successful in the meanwhile. Like here, build is successful. Now again, my application will be deployed. Application deployed, and I got the message hello world over here. So now suppose we want to check a flow or a certain thing, if the data is passing in a certain step or not, if data is passing from one class A to class B or function A to function B, if we're calling a function, if the function is getting the right value or not. So all these things can be checked using these log messages.